Hi, good evening everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I will teach you some basic English grammar which will help you to speak English fluently. Today we will learn to use as because as is used a lot in spoken English. We use such sentences repeatedly in our daily life like eat as much as you like, do as you like, as you know already, as you say. It is as easy as that. It's as cold as ice. As is used in many ways. For example, as is used for comparison. He can't run as fast as you. I can't swim as fast as him. Or, I can't swim as fast as he can. Here, as is used to compare between two. As is used as a preposition. For example, she works as a nurse. John works as a clerk. Now we will learn how as works as a conjunction in a sentence. You can go fast as you are the oldest. You can go fast as you are the oldest. Here as is connecting two sentences. Now let's learn some daily life uses of as. He is as busy as ever. He is as busy as ever. It's better as it is. It's better as it is. He is as tall as Tom. He is as tall as Tom. I am as tall as you. I am as tall as you. I am here as a friend. I am here as a friend. I like you as a friend. I like you as a friend. He acted as my friend. He acted as my friend. I said that as a joke. I said that as a joke. I will do as you advise. I will do as you advise. I will do as you say. I will do as you say. He acted as a doctor. He acted as a doctor. He came late as usual. He came late as usual. As you know. As you know. As you know well. As you know well. He is as old as I am. He is as old as I am. As you like. As you like. Do as you were told. Do as you were told. Let him do as he likes. Let him do as he likes. I am busy as a bee. I am busy as a bee. I work as a salesman. I work as a salesman. Do as I say. Do as I say. I work as a doctor. I work as a doctor. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.